Young man, you're not stopping, huh? I can see you now have a vegetable garden. And I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different vegetables in here. Well, what's the purpose?
Firstly, we like to call the space Mama's Garden.
Oh, Mama's Garden.
Yes.
Okay.
In the sense that, she's the chef, If she feels like she wants to make spinach today, it's there. She feels like she needs onions, she doesn't want to buy, down there. She feels like making smoothies, strawberries are down there. So you've got everything here, and this is just for the household consumption.
Okay.
Makes it easier for us. Well, firstly, because it saves costs, and back to the point I made earlier on that we know what we put in this. We believe it's much healthier than buying out there. Because imagine out there, well, we get this today, maybe people start selling it in the shops on Wednesday, but we're eating this and it's very fresh compared to what we buy out there. So that's the idea around this garden.
Okay. No, the garden is well looked after, but one mistake which I've noticed is the way you are harvesting your leaves. You see, just come here, you see here the way it's harvested. It is, you see, this is the main stalk, huh? It was pulled and then it made a wound on the stalk. Right? So it's because you pulled it down like that. And yet when you're harvesting your kale, you go about 2-3 centimeters up. You hold there and you break there and you leave this stalk on. So when you leave the stalk on, give it maybe 2 weeks or 3, it turns yellow and then it naturally drops on its own. So you have saved from causing a wound there. Because once it has got a wound, it gets disturbed, and for it also feels the pain. Huh? So, and then you're also exposing the bacteria, the fungal infections, to get in. So by so doing, it means you're saving a lot of stuff on this. So that will give it a chance of keep growing. Yeah, that's all. But I can see what you are referring to. This is manure. Yeah. Organic. Very fresh food. Huh? No wonder why you're not getting older. You're eating healthy. You're eating healthy. Yeah. This is beautiful. I love it. Yeah. Even the veggie, it's not bitter. It's edible. Wow. Good. Let's have a look at the maize. So, green mealies. Are you eating green mealies?
Yes, we are.
Beautiful. Yes, you are. Can I ask if you are eating something else?
Yes, you can.
Are you eating the silk?
No, we don't.
Why?
No, I don't.
You don't. But it's, for your information, it's healthy.
Nonsense.
You need, True. It may sound nonsensical, but it's good. It's healthy. There are different ways of eating it. If you don't want to choose straight like what I've done, but it's palatable. It's palatable. If you don't want to eat like what I've done, you put it in hot water, you make your tea. You can even put it together with your favorite tea. If you like Tanganda, you make your Tanganda tea, you put the silk in there, and then you have your tea. Or you can grind, you dry it, you grind it, you put in, you can put in your smoothie. Mom makes smoothie, huh? You can put in the smoothies, blend together, you drink it. You can put it in porridge. When you boil these mealies with the leaves, when you dehusk, the silk comes out. Yes. You can take that, it's cooked, and then you can eat that first, and then you eat that. A lot of health benefits. It It works on your kidney, it works on your urinary system, it works on your liver, it works on your the BPs, the sugars, and antioxidants, a lot. So you should try it.
I'll try it.
But it's good maize. I like the spacing and the cob size. It's to be honest, it's a healthy crop. It's a good crop. No holes, no diseases, very clean. And to me it's very good. And I can see very clean. No weeds in. Of which that's the culture we like, in a field. For a field to give you a good yield, you must look after it. Plant on time, correct spacing, which gives you plant population, as well as keeping it clean, and also checking that there are no diseases, there are no pests. If they are there, control, and then what comes out of there is healthy. You like eating healthy, you like living healthy, I know. And from what you've been saying, so I've noticed this is good. Right.
Yeah.
You're doing good, huh?
Thank you.